Don't let any other eyes see this leaf. It will bring you big money. This spiritual work is for you if you want to attract money into your life, if you want big money to flow to you. If you're living in poverty, you're always begging people for money, for food, for rent, for transportation, for rent. You should do this spiritual work right now. Okay? If you're somebody that is struggling, you are putting in effort, but your effort is not yielding good result, or you're working for somebody, they are only paying you peanuts. It's like you're working for them as a slave. Or you have a business and your business is failing, you have no customers, you have no sales. You should do this spiritual work. After this spiritual work, big money is going to flow to you. In fact, you'll be shocked. So my name is Precious and this is New Life with Precious. On this channel, I make videos for people that want to manifest money, people that want to stop all their spiritual problems, people that want to solve all their spiritual problems using just simple natural ingredients. If you are interested in any of this, join our big family. This is a big family already, and there are a lot of testimonies from people that have seen the grace of Almighty God. You too will receive your miracles and blessings in the mighty name of God. What you will do for me is simple. Press the red button, join this channel, subscribe right now to this channel, and turn on the bell so that you can always get my videos every single time. Okay, let's get this video started. Don't let anyone see this leaf other than you. It will bring big money to you. Okay, this leaf, you only need to get it. Do you know it? Do you know it? This is bay leaf. If you don't know it, this is bay leaf. I don't know what they call it in your language. I don't know what you call it in your culture. I don't know what you call it in your country. If you know what bay leaf is in your culture, in your language, leave it down in the comment section. I will appreciate it. Thank you. So just get one bay leaf, okay, and you're going to write your name, your full name, on this bay leaf. Okay, you have to have a pen for this spiritual work. Have one bay leaf, have one pen, and make sure you have a lighter or something that you will use to burn this. Okay, and make sure you have like a tray where you're going to collect the ash after burning this. Okay, so now write your full name, your first name and your last name. Write your date of birth. Write what you want to get. In this video, we want to get big money. That's what you want to get, right? And for this, you can use it for any other things. You can write marriage, you can write business, progress, money, big sales, contract. Write anything that you want, okay? And if you like, you can write any amount of money that you want to attract into this, okay? So after that, you want to go right ahead and burn this bay leaf. You will set it on fire, you will burn it, okay? You will burn it. So once you burn it finish, you're going to collect the ash into a tray, okay? While you are burning it, you will see that it will be burning, right? It will be glowing. The light is going to be glowing. That is when you want to start making your intention. You have to be praying that as this thing is burning, as it's putting out flames, you will see smoke coming out, right? It's going into different environment. It's moving to different places that you don't even know. It's going to the north, it's going to the east, it's going to the south. So whatever you say to this, that is what is going to take to wherever it's going. Because that's why you want to be serious about this spiritual work. You will say that my money will come from the south, from the east, from the west, from the north. Money will flow to me everywhere. As you, this smoke is coming off from this bay leaf, my money will come to me. Money will flow to me. I will never beg for money again. I will be commanding money. I'll be swimming in money. I'll be chief commander of money. Money will be my slave. I'll be sending money all around. Keep saying all this good things, your intentions about what you want. So after that, you want to collect the hash in a tray. Okay, and now once you collect the hash in a tray, then you are going to go outside your house. If you like, you can stay in your compound. If you think somebody is going to see you, like I said, nobody should see this. Don't let anybody see this. No other eyes should see this other than your eyes. Okay, because it will be big money to you. If other eyes sees it, then that's going to spoil it. Because you understand, and the majority of evil people, they understand what you're trying to use this leaf for. So once they see it, you know what will come up in their heart, in their mind. They will cast evil eyes on it, and they will set evil intention to make it not to work for you. That's why I'm telling you, no eyes should see this when you're doing the spiritual work, so that it will work for you 100%. So once you collect the hash in a tray, put it in a tray, and go outside your house. If you like, you can stay in the back in your compound, and take the tray in front of you like this, and start blowing it. You will blow it into the south, into the north, to south, to west, to east. Those are four areas where you blow this hash to. As you are blowing it, you'll be saying your intention again, that as you are blowing this now and the hash is going, you want this hash to make money flow to you. You want this bay leaf hash to flow money to you from the north, from the east, from the west, from the south. That you want money to come to you right now. And tell the universe, tell God that you are not lazy. You are putting in effort, you are doing everything, but things are not, don't seem to work right for you. Things are getting difficult for you, even though you are putting in effort. Tell God that as from today, as you've done this spiritual work, let money flow to you. So once you've done that, that's it. Go about your normal business. And this is very powerful. I've done it personally and it works for me 100%. In fact, at some point, I do it every single day. And whenever I do it, I notice that my money always increased. I notice that my business attract a lot of customers, a lot of sales. Okay, and this doesn't really matter what kind of business you have, whether it is online business, whether it is you have physical business, it's okay. It's going to work for you. Okay, and those are the things that I want to share with you. You go right ahead and do this, and let God surprise you. Once it has worked for you, come back to my channel to share your testimony. I'll be waiting to read from you. Okay, I want to believe that this video is helpful. If it is helpful, give this video a thumbs up right now. Like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. For more spiritual work, watch these videos over there. They will bless your life. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I know you love me, and I'm sure you know that I love you. Thank you so much. I will talk to you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.